If you've watched any of my fashion illustration classes, you'll know that I love fashion. I've worked for some amazing fashion brands, styled hundreds of outfits, and recently gone back to my illustration and design roots. Hi, I'm Chris V, and I'm back in the studio today to show you my process for how to paint watercolor fashion sets, an illustrated form of the collections of fashion items you see in magazines, online, and social media. I'll show you what I use, how I get inspired, and a step-by-step from sketching, inking, to painting. I'll share my favorite fashion app, some painting effects, how I handle mistakes, and finishing touches to help you end up with a project you're proud of. So I hope you'll join me in fashion illustration, watercolor fashion sets. You got this. See you there.